Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact Photos app and OS version so you know available options. Once done, make sure you can authenticate with your current passcode, Face ID, or pattern. You need that to change settings. Open Photos, go straight to Albums, then the locked folder, sometimes labeled Hidden. Authenticate now. Do not skip this step because the system will only allow password changes when you prove you own the lock. This guarantees a secure, authorized start to changing the password. Once authenticated, tap the three-dot menu or settings icon inside the locked folder to reveal lock options. Then choose Change Password or Reset Authentication. The label varies by OS, but the flow is the same. Enter your current passcode when prompted, then type the new passcode twice to confirm. Make sure the new code is memorable yet strong. If Face ID or biometrics are enabled, reconfigure them now so they match the new passcode. This ensures consistent future access and avoids lockouts. Finalize by confirming the change and immediately testing, unlocking a single photo to verify success. If you cannot change the password because the option is grayed out, make sure you completed authentication. If that fails, use the device passcode recovery workflow or OS account recovery. These reset methods differ by platform but restore access. Finally, back up your photos and write down recovery steps. That way, if something goes wrong next time, you won't lose images, and you can recover the locked folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.